Hi, my name is Cynthia and I am the owner of the Hunter Valley Wool Store in the Hunter Valley of Australia. I am a proud stockist of Fibre Company yarns and in particular Arranmore Light. As you can see, I love Arranmore Light. I wear it as a jumper, I wear it in a skirt, I have a lovely poncho. There's so many things that I can do with Arranmore Light. It is a great weight, it is a great textured yarn, it can do cables, it can do colour work. It's a great all-rounder and I love it, and so do all my customers that love it. It comes in a huge range of colours that are vibrant but also muted and tonal, and look, it just has so much going for it that myself and, as I said, all my customers, we just love it. We're a huge fan. We're grateful to the Fibre Company for making such a wonderful yarn. I hope everyone gets a chance to try it, and I'm sure you'll love it as much as we all do. Thanks, bye.